Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and today what I have for everyone is my full review of the Maledan bands for the Apple Watch SE first generation or any of your Apple Watch series of watches, right? So I've been using this watch band for a good amount of time, and I feel like I've gathered all my thoughts and opinions on it, and that's what I'm going to share with everyone today in today's full review. Now I'm going to run through some housekeeping, and then we're going to jump straight into the full review. So recording the video here today, we are using the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. Today's video is being recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. And I am using my professional studio lights here today, so please let me know what you guys and gals think of the overall lighting, as well as what you guys and gals think of the overall video quality and the overall audio quality. Also, if this video piqued your interest, all the links to everything featured in today's video, whether that be the Apple Watch itself or any of the recommended bands, will be linked up down below in the video description. And down below in the video description will contain affiliate links. So if you do decide to make your purchase using those affiliate links, I will get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I consider those affiliate links a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. And with that being said, if this video piques your interest and you guys and gals would like to know where you can see any more coverage on the Apple Watch SE or any other Apple products that I've covered on the channel, I will link up my extended coverage for the Apple Watch SE and all of the other Apple products that I've covered on the channel down below in the video description. So down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright, housekeeping done, let's get today's video started. So in today's video, I'm just going to run down the positives and the negatives of this band. Then I'm going to give my overall final thoughts as to how I feel about this band. We're going to talk about the overall pricing and availability, and I'm going to make my overall recommendations as to whether or not I think you guys and gals should pick this band up if you're in the market for some third-party watch bands for any of your Apple Watch series of watches. Alright, so this should be real quick. So jumping right into it, let's start off with the positives first. Positive number one, the overall ease of installation for this band is top notch. I was literally able to put this band on within seconds and be ready to wear it and rock out. So the overall ease of installation is top notch, and that's the first positive that I ran across with this band. Positive number two, the overall fit and feel of the band is top notch in my opinion. Okay, top notch indeed. Now this has really nice breathable nylon material. Y'all can see a theme here. I'm a big fan of that nylon breathable material because it can easily be worn for any activity, including sleeping. And especially when you're going to sleep with your watch on, you definitely don't want to have an uncomfortable band on, alright? So the overall breathable material makes this extremely comfortable and easy to wear for extended sessions. So the overall fit and feel and comfort of this band is top notch, okay? Top notch indeed, alright? And the overall durability of this band is top notch as well. Now I have been wearing this for several days. I've taken it on multiple workouts. I've slept with it on multiple times, and I gotta say, in those workouts I did get it super sweaty, and you know, I kind of was wearing my watch like I didn't have a care in the world, and this watch band holds up no problems, and it's nice and durable and breathable, so I don't have to even worry, okay? So, the durability of this watch band is top notch as well. And then the last positive here is that this watch band is actually available for a really great price, and it does come in a variety of different colors and a variety of different materials. We're going to talk about the pricing and availability towards the end of the video. but it is available for a really great price in my opinion. Okay, so that goes over all of the positives that I've experienced in my time with this watch band. Right now, let's go over the negatives. And honestly, guys and gals, in my time with this watch band, there's only really been one major negative that I've experienced. And that one major negative that I've experienced is adjusting the band to get the right fit. All right. Now, first, when I did my unboxing and first impressions, I had that super duper snug fit. But one thing that I've noticed is it got really uncomfortable over time. So I did have to take the watch band off and adjust it again. And I was having a really hard time adjusting it right to the fit that I wanted. Now, I eventually got it, but adjusting it to get the proper fit, that was a big negative for me. I feel as though that could have been easier. And let me explain to y'all what I had to do. So I'm not going to show y'all because then I'll be struggling for like 5 to 10 minutes. But basically, what I did was the shorter part of the band, I left that part on, right? And then I unlatched the longer part of the band. And then when you do that, you can pull down on this here and adjust the band size to the size that you want. Okay? Now, I wish they would have explained that in the adjustment or added some advertising material to explain how to adjust it, because it took me several minutes to figure that out, right? And then even further still, when I had to adjust it again, I was having some real difficulties getting it to the right adjustment size that I wanted. But I did indeed get it eventually. So, pro tip, just remember, if you want to adjust it easily, leave the short side on the band, then unlatch the long side, and then you can just pull down on the short side till you get to the size of the band that you want, and then you click back on the long side and you're good to go. So pro tip there, if you want to adjust it to get the perfect fit. But I did find that the adjustment to get the perfect fit was a big negative for me, and it did cause a lot of frustration. But overall, that was the one negative that I've experienced in my time with this watch band, right? And now that I got it perfectly adjusted, I can take it off and put it on easily without having any issues. And I've even done the same thing to my other favorite colored bands. And I pretty much can rock out with whatever color band I want for whatever outfit I'm rocking that particular day and not have any issues here, okay? So I pretty much did that for all of the ones that I wanted to use on a daily basis, right? And I forgot where I put the blue one, but the blue one's over there somewhere. I forgot where I put it. But I adjusted these basically to the same fit on all of them. And now, regardless of whatever band I want to rock with, they all have this nice, snug, but not too snug fit. Okay? So, just want to keep that in mind for everyone. But that is a negative that I experienced, and that was the only negative that I experienced with this watch band. Alright? So, that goes over the positives of this watch band. That goes over the negatives of this watch band. Now, as I always do, I'll put a full list of the positives of the watch band that I've experienced up in post in the video. I'll also put a full list of the negatives that I've experienced up in post in the video as well. So you feel free to pause the video wherever you see the list that you're interested in, and you should be good to go. Now, disclaimer, I am not perfect and I never claim to be. So if you guys and gals decide to pick this watch band up for your Apple Watch and you experience a positive that I did not mention in the video, and or a negative that I did not mention in the video, please leave that feedback down below in the comments. Only through providing our feedback can we get overall improvements on the devices and products that we spend our hard-earned money on. And we all use our devices and products differently, so we're all going to have a different experience. This video is just based on my opinion and my overall experience. Everybody's opinions and experiences are different. Okay? Little disclaimer there. Now let's move on to the final part of the video. Let's talk pricing. Let's talk overall availability. Let me get into sharing my final thoughts and make an overall recommendation. Now, in the interest of full disclosure, I do have to let everyone know this, as I let everyone know in the unboxing and installation and first impressions video. This band for the Apple Watch SE came into the channel free of charge, thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. So what does that mean? I got this free of charge into the channel, and all I had to do was use it and then write up a full written review to publish on Amazon, and then these bands are mine to keep. Okay? But as I always say, that in no way, shape, form, or fashion influences my overall opinions. I reserve the right to keep it straight 100 around here. Okay? But that being said, I did do my due diligence, and I did scour the internet and find the pricing and availability for these bands. Okay? Now let's go over that now. So this particular set of 6-color nylon stretchy sports watch bands did or is available in a variety of different colors and a variety of different materials, but this particular set here that I had was a pack of 6, and it is basically black, okay, dark gray, dark blue, white, light gray, and then army green. And I gotta say, I'm a big fan of that army green as well. It's very subtle, but I like it. I like wearing this. That nice little army green there. Okay? Just like I like wearing the blue and the white and the black. So I like that. I like that a lot. But those are the colors that this particular set of watch bands came in, that came in for review on the channel. But it is also available in a variety of different other colors and materials, and it ranges in price from $11.99 all the way up to $13.99. So basically, if you want to make it easy, it ranges in price from $12 all the way up to $14. And this particular set of watch bands that I'm showcasing here on today's video, this one is available for $12.99 or $13. Okay? And as of the recording of this video, which is July 24th, Wednesday, there is a 20% off coupon available. So I'm going to try and get this video out as fast as possible so you guys and gals could take advantage of that coupon deal. So take 20% off of the price. Not bad. Not bad at all. And honestly, for the style of bands that you get and the material, can I recommend that you guys and gals pick up this watch band for your Apple Watch? Well, if you're in the market for watch bands and you want something breathable and durable and easy to wear, okay, for pretty much any activity, you really can't go wrong with this. Is it perfect? No. Does it need improvements? Yes. But for what it is, it does a really good job. And honestly, I have no problems recommending it if you guys and gals are in the market for third-party good watch bands for any of your Apple Watch series. Because this is available for the entire Apple Watch lineup, regardless of what Apple Watch you have. And it does come in all of the sizes. Alright? So that, guys and gals, does it for today's video. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you'd like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you get notified when new videos go live on the channel. Also feel free to follow me across all the social media platforms. I'll link up all my social medias down below in the video description as well. I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. All right, we just got some more products in, so now it's time to shoot some more videos. So we got a variety of different videos coming up next. I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. Stay safe out there. We're out of here. Peace.